Playwright 1.49 has introduced an incredible new feature, ARIA Snapshots. This feature empowers you to validate your page's accessibility structure with ease and precision. So let's dive deep into it. So on my screen, you can see a snapshot test. I will just run that test on my screen. I've already copy pasted it over here. So it goes to a particular page and checks all these things. And in the packages, you need to make sure that you have got version 1.49. So I will run the test. So let me clear that. I'm going to just close the terminal for now. I'll run the test by the UI because everyone loves the UI. And you can see the test is passing. But if I change anything in the test and run it again, the test fails and it says there's something wrong with it. Now, to understand what's going on over here and how do you generate this bit, let's take a look at the documentation again. So if you look into the guide that is provided, ARIA Snapshot guide, this guide says this bit is basically like, if you look at the snapshot matching, a heading with a title is converted to a hyphen heading title. Similarly, a submit button, which is a partial matching, it will be converted to a button. Checkbox would be converted to a checkbox, and so on. So this is a really useful guide. What this guide is saying is, like, if you want to generate snapshot, the best way is to use the code generator. So the code generator is the code gen feature of Playwright. So if I want to use this, I can use the command npx. There you go. So npx playwright code gen, and then you can specify the URL after that. So I will run this command on my terminal. npx playwright code gen, and the URL is playwright.dev. So this should open the Playwright website in my browser, and you can see on my right hand side that is where the code is being generated. So to use the snapshot testing, I will select the option assert snapshot. This is a new option over here, and I will select this bit, and you can see the code has been generated. It says h1 to match ARIA snapshot heading, and it says level 1. So let's bring this code into my code editor and let's try to run it. So rather than matching the whole body, I'm just doing the heading one. So if I run this again, there you go, it passes. If I change enables to, for example, disables, let's see what happens. So it's waiting and it failed, and you can see that it highlights the exact bit, which is, I have changed the enable to disable, so it's just highlighting the dis and en. So there you have it, an amazing feature of Playwright snapshot tests. Hope you enjoyed that.